Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, hello, my name is Emma. I am a third year in college. This is going to be another college week in my life. It's 8:17. I got home from work about 15 minutes ago. I worked from 10 to 7 today. I work at a local dance store. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty hungry. I don't really eat a lot when I work, which is good because sometimes when I'm home I tend to eat a lot. I'm gonna go downstairs. I think I'm gonna make myself like an egg sandwich, and then I need to do a little bit of homework tonight for my women's gender sexuality studies. We have to watch like 3 different videos and then like write a summary about them and then like our thoughts for like this week's paper. So I'm gonna start doing that. It's not due till Saturday. But I figured I could at least watch one tonight because to do 3 in a row is just a little bit too much. So probably just watch 1 or 2 tonight. I kind of have all of my homework done already. People keep asking me like, oh, how's college? And I was like, surprisingly easy for like my 3rd year. I have like almost all upper level classes, and yes, I am a comm major and marketing minor, but still I was expecting a little bit more of a challenge. But yeah, I don't have a lot of homework, really just the paper. I have some reading to do. I have 2 exams next week actually, so starting to like kind of freshen up my memory and like prep for that. But I honestly, like, we've only had 2 weeks. I feel like we haven't like learned enough or like covered enough content to be tested on. But it's Tuesday morning. It's almost 9 o'clock. I have to leave here for classes in a few minutes. But yeah, I've had a nice morning. I've been up since 7:30, just kind of took it easy, had breakfast out on the porch, which was nice, coffee, which is almost gone. I always struggle finishing my coffee. I'm all packed up. I just have to add my little snack and juice for lunch that I kind of eat throughout the day so that I don't get super hungry because I don't really have time to eat lunch. But yeah, here's my outfit. Super plain. I just have this white t-shirt from Target on, some black Nike shorts, and then my sneakers, which are also Nike. Super plain, but it's gonna be like 93 degrees outside, so I wanted to dress like light, but I didn't want to wear a tank because then I always get cold in class. So I'm home now. It is 6 o'clock. After my classes, I met up with my mom and we got like a late lunch. Had the best Caesar salad and the best iced coffee I've ever had. It was so good. And yeah, we just caught up. I haven't seen her in like a week, over a week. But yeah, my classes were good. It's definitely long, like sitting in class that long, but they were all pretty good. So yeah, I'm finally home. Gotta get some stuff done. My room's a mess. I still have laundry to put away. Never made my bed. Just need to like tidy up a bit. And then I'm gonna get homework done. I'm gonna just work on that paper for my women's gender and sexuality studies. I watched one video last night, but I just like watched it. I didn't take like any notes or write anything about it. So I'm gonna rewatch that, like write a summary and start piecing that paper together. So I'm not really like in a rush or anything, but while it's light outside, I need to get my work done because come 8 o'clock it'll be dark and I'll be like ready to start winding down. So I also feel like I somehow need to take an Instagram photo of myself because I have not posted since I started school 3 weeks ago because like I have no one to take my pictures. So I might actually do that first. My music's playing. Because I just feel bad because like I'm not posting at all. See if that works. I don't know. I feel like I always spend so much time trying to take a picture, like self-timer, but then it never freaking works and I never end up posting it. But I'll try it. It's Wednesday. It is 11:26. I just got home from a marketing research survey thing that I had to do for my marketing classes. I have to do 6 total throughout this semester, so I have 5 left. but it's pretty easy. They say that it takes 30 minutes, but I was finished in like 10, so that was nice. That was all that I had to do on my schedule today. I would like to finish that paper. I also need to read chapters for my consumer behavior class because I have not done that. And we have our first exam, well, next Tuesday, and so he said it's like 50% lecture, 50% reading, and everyone says that his tests are really hard, so I need to just read that and make sure that I'm like familiar with the material. I think he'll probably have like a study guide for us tomorrow, but I'm not sure, so I need to do that. Yeah, it's definitely weird not having a car. My mom was actually asking me about that yesterday, and she was like, so isn't it like kind of nice? I was like, yeah, it's nice, but I also feel so isolated. Like, I can't go do anything. I can't go shop. I can't like return something if I have to. I can't go to the grocery store. Like, I mean, obviously I can, but it requires walking and sweating. And it's like weird not to have a car because I'm so used to it. But it's also nice because like the bus is so close, so that's convenient for work. And like my classes are so close. It's just like everything else that like yeah, I'd kind of want to go to Target just for fun. Like, I haven't been to Target in like 4 or 5 months, I think. It's been a really long time. All right, so I am showered, my dishes are done, I'm sitting down. I'm actually looking at classes that I could take for next year or next semester, which is so bad. I feel like whenever I'm in a semester, I'm always like so excited for it to be done to like go to the next one. But the class list just came out Monday afternoon, I think, so I've only looked at it a couple times. But I literally have, I don't know if I've showed you guys this before, but I have an entire spreadsheet of like classes that I have left to take in order to graduate because I'm graduating like a year early. So I've just been like trying to figure out like what classes match my schedule. I might be a TA in the fall as well. I actually have to email, he told me he was going to email me like beginning of this semester to like meet and talk about the opportunity, but he hasn't yet, so I think I'm going to email him because I would really like to do that. He's one of my favorite professors. It's interpersonal communication, and I'm making my sister take it too, so then we could like both be in it, which I think would be kind of fun. And then yeah, I just have 2 comm classes that I'm going to take, and then TAing. I found 2 marketing classes that I think I'm going to take, both with really good professors. Since I dropped my certificate program, I was going to get a certificate in digital engagement, but it was like a lot of IT classes, and I really like, I like social media, but I feel like I don't really want a career in that field anymore, which is kind of what I was thinking and why I wanted to get that certificate. So I dropped the certificate, so now I have like 12 credits of just like nothing, classes that I can take for anything. So there's actually this Chinese introduction to Chinese culture class that I think I might take. It's online too, which is like perfect because I like to do like 2 online and 4 in person. So I think I'm gonna take that. The professor doesn't get great reviews, but since I'm hoping to go to China in August, next August, I think it'd be cool just to have like be able to like take a semester about their culture and get to know it a little bit better before I like step into it. Yeah, I am such a planner. It's probably really bad. I literally, okay, I'll just have to show it to you guys. But I just have like all of my classes, so my fall classes, spring and summer, and China, woo woo woo. That's my motivation for getting finished so early. But yeah, it's just exciting, like, and kind of weird that like my college time is coming to an end, but I don't know, I just think it's fun to like look at classes and plan them out and whatnot. So yeah, okay, I think I'm actually just gonna watch my last video from my paper. It's called The Urgency of Intersectionality. That is my Wednesday afternoon update. Probably won't talk to you guys for a little while. Here's my lunch. I just have spinach and then some mac and cheese. Gonna watch Rain for a little bit, just kind of take it easy. So it is now about 6:40. I literally have no motivation at all this semester. It's really strange because usually I'm like on top of my stuff, but I just don't want to do anything. And then I watched the lecture for my comm research, which was pretty good. I just really like her. She's really awesome. I think I'm gonna take her again next semester. But yeah, my sister texted me and wanted to know if I wanted to get dinner. And I'm like, sure, because I don't really have a lot of food in my house. I am home from class. It is 3:30. I am so hungry and so in need of caffeine. I didn't really have coffee this morning. I did not sleep well last night, so I stayed in bed until like 40 minutes before I had to leave, so I didn't have time to make my coffee and enjoy it. Because if I don't do that, then I don't drink it and then I feel bad for wasting it. So I just didn't have any this morning. I was yawning throughout all of my classes. I'm just so tired. So I'm gonna make this sweetened iced coffee thing that my sister got for me from Starbucks because it's so hot outside. I can't do a hot coffee right now, so I'm gonna make that. I'm also going to have an apple with peanut butter. I have one left, yeah. So apple and peanut butter because I need some protein and energy. And then I also think I'm gonna have some Doritos. Okay, my brain is just not focusing, so I'm gonna work out. It's almost 7, but I'm just gonna do this workout by MadFit. She's my new favorite, and it's just a little HIIT workout. And then I'll probably do some arm stuff afterwards because I'm trying to strengthen my arms a little bit, so. Alright, so I am home from work. It's about 6:15 and I just had dinner. I need some brain power because I'm just going to try and study for my consumer behavior exam. That is on Thursday. I haven't started for it. It makes me nervous when I don't study enough. I like to do a little bit each day. So yeah, I'm going to work on that tonight and then finish this video, get this video up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other video requests aside from college week of my life or whatnot, please let me know because I would love to film videos that you guys specifically want to see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!